G'day everyone, the Global Surveyor here, Sydney, Australia. I'm in a place called Box Hill, Sydney's northwest, undertaking a retaining wall survey, final survey for retaining wall certification and sign off by the council. As shown in previous videos, I like to try and draw up the block of land and the survey reference marks before I head out. That way I can set my instrument up and do a resection, measuring to the survey reference marks, and let the instrument calculate my position. You can see I've highlighted the reference marks in yellow here, and I put those numbers into my survey controller when I'm at the point, press measure, and then I let the instrument do all the hard work, and then I can start measuring the retaining wall and various other things. And the beauty of it all is that when I get back to the office, all I have to do is merge the measured data with the plan that I've drawn up previously, and the wall that I've got will, sit nicely on top, and then I can query whether the wall is over the boundary or not. One of the weapons of choice today will be this Leica mini prism. It's about 130 millimeters long from the tip to the center of the prism there, and helpful to have a mini prism if you're going to be measuring close to the ground, or if you have an assistant with you, which I don't. They would hold it for you, but handy. It's sometimes a little bit fiddly if you've got to hold that and the controller to take measurements, but definitely worth something. Definitely worth having this prism as part of your surveying arsenal. So in Box Hill, this is a brand new subdivision. As you can see, your home's under construction here. And the survey marks we have here for the corner is a drill hole and a wing on the curb. And I'll just go over here, show you. These are the new type of urban state survey marks. They're sort of stainless steel plate with a pin, drill a hole and whack it in, measure it, tie it into your survey control. And just for those who wonder how I do it, I've got a little camera mount here on the top of my theodolite TS16. I can put my camera onto. Pretty cool, eh? What do you reckon? As you can see here, we're doing the resection, measuring to the survey reference marks that are placed on the curb. And once the instrument has undertaken the calculation and knows exactly where it is, it's always good practice to re-measure the marks for the final time. Now we're using the mini prism to measure to the top of the wall, and job done. This is a close-up of the wall, and what makes this wall quite interesting is that it's brick pavers, about 100mm high brick pavers, and they look like they've been fixed to a timber retaining wall with a bit of fibro mounted onto the wall. So interesting idea. Crazy thing about this wall, I've got to write a really detailed description so I can put in the survey report. It's a brick paver retaining wall. The pavers are 0.1 high by 50mm thick. They're mounted to a fibro backing board, and there are 50mm sleepers. The thickness is 50mm sleepers, with a 200 by 50mm post, and it's about 110 wide for the actual wall width, excluding the post. So it's quite a mouthful. I guess the thing is, keep it simple as best you can. That's the main goal. And here's a more detailed profile of the wall as constructed. So the final thing is just to take a few photos so we can add them to the survey report. And that's it. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Your support would be greatly appreciated. And if you have any questions about surveying or anything that you'd like to discuss, feel free to drop me a message. And once again, thanks so much for watching. This is a Global Surveyor. See you later.